Now gets you news coming in from Uttar Pradesh's Bulandshahr district, where two seers were brutally murdered and their bodies have been recovered at a temple area. Now the accused have been arrested, we are getting to know, and a probe has been initiated. The investigation has now begun. Even Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is himself looking into the situation and has also taken cognizance of the matter. What it is all about, let's listen in from the police's side, their version.
ये पडौना गांव जो अनुपशहर थाना क्षेत्र में स्थित है। यहाँ पर दो बाबा, एक मंदिर है जिसमें जगदीश शर्मा और शेर सिंह नाम के दो बाबा रहते थे, और इसी मंदिर पर भी गांव का ही एक व्यक्ति है जिसका नाम मुरारी उर्फ राजू है, जो आता जाता था, भंगेड़ी है, बहुत ज़्यादा भांग पीने का आदी रहा है। 2-3 दिन पहले बाबा का चिमटा इसके द्वारा गायब कर दिया गया था, जिसमें बाबा लोगों ने बुला करके इसके साथ डांट पिलाई थी। उस आधार पर कुछ बातें इसके दिमाग में रही होंगी, जिसके आधार पर इसके द्वारा आज सुबह किसी समय आकर के तलवार से इन दोनों बाबाओं की हत्या कर दी गई। बाद में गांव के लोगों ने इसको गांव से बाहर तलवार लिए हुए जाते हुए देखा गया था। उस आधार पर इसकी तलाश की गई। गांव से 2 किलोमीटर दूर नशे की हालत में अर्धनग्न अवस्था में मिला है। अभियुक्त को गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया है। मौके पर मैं मौजूद हूँ। कानून व्यवस्था की कोई समस्या नहीं है। फिलहाल ये अभियुक्त नशे की हालत में है और अर्धनग्न है, तो उससे पूछताछ का प्रयास किया जा रहा है।
Well, Samarth is joining us with more details because this is a gruesome and a brutal incident that has taken place in Bulandshahr. What was the motive? What really happened in this case? If you can update us, Samarth.
Yes, 2 priests were found dead, and as per the SSP Santosh of Bulandshahr, he himself has said that person was apprehended by the villagers and police after he ran away almost 2 kilometers from the village, and he was fully intoxicated and naked, after which police took him into the custody and interrogation is still on. However, it was the chimta, the tong, which was the major issue, which as he was mentally ill as per the police so far. So this is all so far, and postmortem report however is still awaited. But as per the police, the priests were murdered using a sword. So yes, it's a major thing happened in the Bulandshahr village, and investigation is still underway. However, police is still not making any much claims, as they are saying that investigation is still underway and will come up with some other information soon.
The police's version, they believe that they were intoxicated. Is that the matter of concern there, especially when it comes to the investigation that is being done? Only 2 people who have been identified, or there are more?
No, so far two have been identified, and one is in the custody. As I told you that with the help of villagers, police grabbed them after he ran almost 2 kilometers from the village. So yes, investigation is also on, and that person is being investigated thoroughly by the cops.
But it is such a small issue there, Samarth. Because of taking away those tongs, you have such an issue that was blown out of proportion to that extent that those people murdered those 2 priests.
Yes, it's a major thing, and that's why UP CM Yogi Adityanath himself has taken cognizance of the event and has ordered the top officials, district magistrates and top police officials of that particular city to reach out at the spot and do the investigation. That's why SSP himself reached the spot and took the investigation into him. So this is the big thing happened in the Uttar Pradesh. So as Yogi Adityanath has already ordered, so top officials have already been on alert mode, and investigation is underway.
Well, the cops for now have managed to nab the murder accused. We'll keep you updated on the same, and keep an eye out what Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister, has to say on this entire case.